What's up, guys? It's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi, everyone.
And in our last video, my grandma hinted something you could make with leftover cornbread. And if you haven't seen that how to make cornbread video, there's a link to that in the description. But today, we're going to be making fried bread, which is just fried cornbread. But it's really good for breakfast with like scrambled eggs and bacon and stuff. And let's just get started.
Okay, here's the leftover cornbread. I stored it I put it in foil and left it in the refrigerator since we made it a few nights ago. So what you want to do is crumble it into a dish, or a bowl's fine too. Just want to crumble it pretty fine. And so we're going to do about half of this dish full. We'll make a skillet full. So if you didn't get to watch our cornbread video, see how to make it first, you can follow the link on Minix YouTube. And we also have a link for homemade Butterfingers and chicken and dumplings. If you haven't got to watch those yet, you might want to do that. So we're about ready to start frying it. My grandkids love this. It's just a southern recipe that my mother-in-law made. And most people haven't really heard of it, but it's very good. So make sure you share it with your friends. It's not a lot of people have heard of it before. So I've got a 8-cup measuring pitcher, about half full. So that will make a good sized skillet. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil in the skillet, and I've got it on medium temperature, just vegetable oil. You want to cover the bottom of the skillet. Actually, you want probably about a eighth of the way up on the skillet. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients, just your oil, your cornbread, and milk. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. Well, it's not quite hot enough, so I'm going to get it a little bit hotter so it doesn't get soggy. Okay, it's good and hot now, so we're going to pour cornbread in. We may have to add a little bit of oil if it starts getting a little dry. I think it needs just a little bit more oil. So you can just dump that in anytime. If it seems dry, you can add more. Probably takes about 10 minutes to get it browned. Ready to pour the milk in. Ready? I'm going to go ahead and pour in 2 cups right now. And just see how much we need. Turn it down just a little. Just got to boil and thicken up. Add a little more. I don't know if it'll take quite 2 cups, but it's going to be close, I think. This part's kind of like how you do gravy. You thin it down and let it cook. I'm just going to take the whole 2 cups. You don't have to cook it very long once you add the milk. And it'll thicken up too as it sets, so I think it's ready. So I'm going to pour it into this dish. I don't think I needed that last little bit of oil. It made it a little bit greasy, but it'll taste good. So we're ready to try it. It's the finished product.
Okay.
And it's very good with butter on it. Put it on while it's hot. These late night snacks are killing me.
Thank you. It turned out pretty good.
Yeah. We won't do the scrambled eggs and bacon tonight.
Yeah.
Fried bologna's good with it too. And some people like pepper on it. I'm not a big pepper fan, so.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any other recipe ideas, please put them in the comments. We'd like to make them for you. And also make sure you check out our other videos that we've done. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. The more you do that, the more videos we'll be able to do. If you don't know how to subscribe, I can help you. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
If only there was a upcoming video that went well with biscuits and gravy.
And then, oh, if you haven't seen that, shoot. Sorry.
We needed bloopers on you. I have said, should I supposed to talk?
No.
Should I supposed to talk? Okay.
Okay.
Are we recording now? I thought that was just a
what?
I thought it was just a practice. Like a rehearsal.
So you thought the entire time you were practicing?
Yeah. I thought that was a rehearsal. I can't remember
Over
what
again?
to say. Oh, is that what I'm supposed to say?
No.
If you put that on there, I'll never make one again. Pour it into this dish. Maybe. My head looks bigger than yours.
Make sure for sure, or I can help you. What? What?
I think I'm rubbing off on you. I'm rubbing off on you.
What do you mean?
You're getting mixed up on your work. Unless
being-
it's away. Yummy. Mine's a little greasy, isn't it? I should have got the big glass. Can I be Hoda though? Kathy Lee's kind of ditzy. Gravy. Should I say for our next video? I gotta fix my hair first. Wayne Wessel's Wine One, like Elmer Fudd. Only know one joke.
What's your joke?
It's a blonde joke.
You